Hey friends, today we're going to talk about which pencils you should choose for drawing. Choosing the right type of pencil will help you create that masterpiece that's in your head right now. And fortunately, there's only a few things you need to know about pencils to get started. H pencils will produce a lighter line because the graphite is harder and there's more filler in it. And the B pencils, on the other hand, will produce a darker line because they're softer and they don't contain as much filler. Now, there isn't a universal system for grading pencils, but this is generally accepted and will at least get you started. The easiest way for me to remember is that kind of H is in the middle, and then 2H, 4H, 6H is getting lighter, and then towards the B, 2B, 4B, 6B is getting darker. Also next to H is F, which just stands for fine point. So if you got a group of pencils together and it started with 2H and went all the way to 6B, you'd be in a good place. You'd cover most of the pencils that you would need. Now, of course, there's pencils that go much further. For example, this general layout pencil that I use, I love this pencil, and it's really dark and it's really soft, and it gets the line that I particularly like. Now, some people will tell you that you need to use a pencil for a specific application, and I haven't found that terribly helpful for myself. I really like to use a pencil for how it feels and how it drags along the paper, and that may change with the type of paper you're using. Is it hot or cold pressed paper? You need to find a pencil that just really works for you. If you understand how the pencils are categorized, you can then make a better selection. Now, a pretty common application would be to use a 2H pencil, like this one. This is a 2H for an initial sketching because it's super light and you can be very delicate with your lines and you can go fast. And then come in later with, for example, a 2B to establish the line and push it more further towards a finish. Another thing that it's important to know if you're going to be doing any sort of smudging with your drawing is that a B pencil is going to smudge a lot better. I recommend these shaders. They're made out of paper and they really pull and push the graphite around really well without getting oil from your skin on the paper. Bonus tip. Bonus tip. Bonus tip. Bonus tip. Kneaded eraser. This is a secret weapon for anybody who likes to draw. This little guy can be formed to however you need it. Ugh. You can also make cool little characters out of it too. But you can make a little point out of these erasers and get in there however small that area is that you need to erase. These also don't rip up your paper like some erasers do. Some erasers just kind of tear your paper up. And I like these kneaded erasers because they're really gentle on your paper as you're erasing. Now, I told you I wasn't going to talk about colored pencils today, but one of my favorite pencils for sketching is this Prismacolor brown. This pencil is so soft, it's wax-based, it just glides across the paper, and for some reason I have found that this type of pencil is lovely for sketching. Corey Godby and Justin Gerard are the ones that introduced me to this pencil, and I literally bought boxes of them because they are my favorite pencil to draw with. The other thing I like about them is that they erase really well with your kneaded eraser too. So the most important thing is that you find a pencil that works for you and that helps you create what you're trying to create. Don't worry about all these categories, but if you understand them, it can help you make a better selection. The most important thing is just to try pencils. Try as many as you can. Get your hands on. I mean, I've got like boxes of them everywhere in here. The more you try, the more you'll find which one you like. Sometimes when I come to videos like this, I just want to be told which pencil to get. And I recommend Kimberly's. Kimberly's are some of the greatest pencils. These pencils are absolutely fantastic, and I love the way that they work on paper. They're going to be fantastic. Go out and get them right now. I'll even have a quick link in the description of this video if you want to grab a set of these. It's an affiliate link and it helps out the channel too. Another secret tip, it's a secret tip, is to grab one of these pencil holders, because then you can sharpen your pencil almost all the way down and still hold it. These things are awesome. Grab one of these. Hey, I really hope that you enjoyed this little video I hope this quick overview of pencils will give you a head start in starting drawing today. Go out and get a package of pencils and get sketching. If this video was helpful to you, go ahead and click that like button and comment below what is your favorite type of pencil, brand, H, B, whatever it is. Let me know what you like to sketch with. Remember that you are valuable and that you are loved. I'm super glad that you're here. Thanks for watching today. See you next time. pencils. When you put pencil under your ear, do you look more sophisticated? Do I look more sophisticated?